So what do you suppose this is right here?
Gallbladder.
The gallbladder. The liver, the human liver, has 4 lobes to it. So this is an extra large liver. It's kind of bigger. It's an enlarged liver. Too much alcohol. Anyway, so this one, the largest part that's on the right side, is called the right lobe of the liver. The smaller one that's on the left side is called the left lobe of the liver. So right lobe, left lobe. This is the vena cava, the inferior vena cava. Right next to the inferior vena cava, this little lobe that looks like a stubby tail, that's called the caudate lobe. Caudal means tail, and so caudate reflects the fact that it looks a little bit like a stubby tail on a dog. This one that's right next to the gallbladder looks kind of square. They call it the quadrate lobe because it's kind of quadrilateral, has 4 corners to it. So we call that the quadrate lobe. So those are the 4 lobes of the liver. This little white structure coming out the top of the liver, that's the falciform ligament that we saw on the cat. So that was the little strand that was holding the liver to the diaphragm, the falciform ligament. And then this one that's coming out from down below is called the ligamentum teres, which means the round ligament. And that's actually what's left of the umbilical vein. So when the baby's born and the umbilical vein seals up, it becomes the ligamentum teres. So that's what that is right there. We said this is the gallbladder, so what would this tube be coming out of the gallbladder? Cystic duct. And here's the 2 tubes coming out of the liver, and what are those 2 tubes coming out of the liver called? The left and right hepatic duct. So this is the right lobe, so this would be the right hepatic duct. This is the left. Right, yeah. This is the left lobe, so that would be the left hepatic duct. And what would this duct come, where the left and right hepatic ducts join together? That would be the common hepatic duct. Then the cystic duct and the common hepatic duct join together, and they're forming a tube that's going down to the duodenum, and that tube is called the bile duct. Right. Now we have a few blood vessels inside of the liver. We have quite a few blood vessels. It's one of the major vascular organs in the body because it filters blood like the kidneys. So what do you suppose this red blood vessel represents?
Artery?
Which artery?
Hepatic.
Hepatic artery. What do you suppose the blue blood vessel coming out of it here represents? Hepatic vein. What do you suppose this purple blood vessel represents? Hepatic portal vein. So those are the arteries and veins that you see inside of the liver. Okay, so that's the liver. The next thing we're going to take a look at